And we're gonna start off in my box of crayons palette. I love this palette. And I have this cute little mug for my sister, so it holds all of my makeup brushes. And first we're gonna start off with a fluffy brush. This is actually a two-sided brush, but I'm gonna use the fluffy end. And we're gonna go on with the color tan. I can barely hold the palette. This color right here. And we're gonna put this like right in our crease. Make sure to blend it upwards because this is basically gonna be like a transition shade. After you get that transition color in, we're gonna go in with brown and put that right into our crease with the same end of the brush. And we're also gonna put this on our outer corner, making sure to blend it into that transition color that we just put in. After that, we're going to take the black in this palette and we're just going to put this specifically on the outer corner. Just be sure to blend all the colors together so it doesn't look like any harsh lines. Outer corner because we're going to be cleaning this up later with concealer. So after that, I'm going to take this same concealer that I use as my primer and I'm going to take this and cut my crease. I also do not use a brush to cut my crease. I just use the applicator that it comes with. Taking this all the way, we're taking this just about to the black and then just pat it to blend it out so it's not too harsh at the end and it blends like you should once you add the other color.
I'll be there a lot. Cop something with the engine, triceratops. 3 Sarahs in my bed and they all trying to get it. I just told them that I want the triceratops. I know your man hit a nigga like me though. She been giving head bud off the Cinco. She got that fire, yeah, that ass and no amino. Been aquí por favor, I'm with my amigos. I ain't seen you go ahead, I ain't tripping. Bang, yada, ain't fun if the homies can't hit it. I know your man can't knock me off my pivot. When I drive it better on it, that's the difference. You know me, wanna be the one I'm with. So girl, need that bomb you in, yeah. Baby, no, I'ma fuck up the game. Girl, just want it on me.
So after you have done your cut crease, we're actually going to switch palettes and I'm going to go into my Soft Glam Anastasia. I know it looks terrible, but we're going to take the same brush, but take the flat end and we're going to go into the shade Bronze, which is this gold color right here. And we're just going to pop that onto the part that we just cut the crease.
Bust it down, spin it round, what it's sticking for. First name basis, that pussy on the need to know. I don't fuck with condoms, but a nigga still need them. Cracking sales, popping pills, no, I keep them full. What you in it for? Baby, I'ma put my money up. You make me wanna be the one I'm with. So girl, need that bomb you in, yeah. Baby, no, I'ma fuck up the game. Girl, just want it on me. Oh, bust a wide open. I quit playing with a nigga. Bust a wide open.
gold, you're just gonna flip the brush and make sure to blend the black back into this gold that we just put on. After that, we're gonna take this same flat side, make sure to wipe it off, or you don't really have to, but taking the shade Glistening, which is pretty much almost on, and we're gonna use this as the highlight on our brow bone. And that is it for the eyes. So moving on to the rest of the face, I use LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. I don't wear a foundation, so I just go straight to my concealer, and we're gonna go under the eyes. Down the nose, on the forehead. This is where I would do the top of my brows. On the chin, on the sides of my mouth, and on the cupid's bow. I also go across my jawline, but I do that after eye contour. So I'm just gonna take a beauty blender and blend this out. So this is after we blended the concealer. And then I also use LA Girl for my contour, and I use the shade Beautiful Bronze. Take this down the nose. On my chin. On my cheekbones. On my lip and on my jawline. I don't contour my forehead because I just don't. So if you contour your forehead, you can contour your forehead as well. And if you feel like you've put too much contour on, you can always go back with your concealer a little bit and blend the concealer back into it so it softens it. A trick for blending your contour is that you want to go upwards instead of like going down and all around, so it blends like it should. And that's how I do that. And then I tend to bake after I'm contoured because I find that it's the easiest thing for me to do. So I use Airspun. This is the top. Airspun. And I take a different beauty blender because this side is better for me to use to bake. And I don't bake for long because this powder actually tends to give me flashback for one, and for two, I get really dried out, so I tend to not do that.
entiendas. Yo te voy a hablar claro, mami, no es pa' que te ofenda, pero por ti que me jodan, asumo y hacienda. Y es que
now let's go. Okay, and taking this big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna wipe this off.
Porque aquí me tienes mirando, mirando y mirando. Como lo mueve esa muchachota, metiéndole el dembow que se bota. Y yo poteo aquí con esta nota, las miro y rebotan, 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 rebotan. Como lo mueve esa muchachita, le mete el dembow y no se quita. Yo tengo el ritmo que la debilita. Ella tiene nalga y tetita, nalga y tetita.
And then after that, I go back into the soft glam palette in that same shade that I use for my brow bone highlight. I use that as regular highlight on my cheekbones with the fan brush.
Me tienes en estado de aborrecimiento. Si tú me das un break, yo te voy a hacer un cuento. Quieres conocer la Junita, yo te la presento. Más rayo falta que presión. Como se le marca el pantalón. De la camisa le explota el botón y por ti yo voy con los ogros guabos a comer lechón. Y el diablo, Dios te reprenda. Te voy a decir algo y yo quiero que me lo entienda. Yo te voy a hablar claro, mami, no es pa' que te ofenda, pero por ti que me jodan es un
I feel like I want to go for a nude look today, so to do that, I have a combo that I use, which is this elf lip gloss, and it is called Pink Cosmo, and I pair that with this regular old beauty store 99-cent lip gloss. I cannot find, oh, it's called Lucy, and I put Lucy on first. I could leave Lucy by itself. I actually really love Lucy by itself, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna pair it with Pink Cosmo. This is also a plumping lip gloss, so it's really tingly. And that is the finished look, you guys. So this is natural everyday makeup. It's not too much, like if you want to wear a face, but not too natural. You want to actually glam it up. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for the next video. I will try to post like every week, every 2 weeks. So thank you guys again.